I don't want to shoot you. Back up. Back up.
Do it.
Back up.
I'm gonna walk right up to your right. I'll put the dog back up. I'll put the dog back up. Fine. Ow!
So somebody called the cops on this guy, right? Because he has a gun. Cops arrive on scene and he starts acting erratic. He tells the cops that he's gonna shoot them. The cops try to employ tasers on him, but that doesn't work. And when all else fails, he gets in his car and just drives off like it's nothing. Cops follow him. He stops at a nearby park and all hell breaks loose. What could have been a simple explanation turned into a shocking arrest, literally. Thank you guys for tuning in, and without further ado, let's get it.
Put your hands up. I got a call of a man with a gun, so that's why I'm here. Okay, can you put your hands up? You need to make sure you have any firearms on you.
Oh,
Put
shit.
your hands up. Put your hands up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna tase you. You want me to tase you?
Shoot you.
All right, well, you're gonna shoot me and put your hands up. Right now.
Get away from me.
Can you tase him? Can you tase him?
This is a life or death situation. Get away
Sure.
from me.
Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up
He's
right now.
reaching.
Remove her from the car. Take her from the car. He might have a gun. I would get her out the car or drive off, one or the other.
You guys see the color of that baby?
Do not take your hand off the gun. Take your hand. I got called here. Take your hand off the gun right now. I got called here for the man with the gun, and I'm responding. If you put your hands up, I will put my gun away.
You're responding to a guy who got maced.
Okay, I can listen to that if you will take your hand off the gun.
Away from me.
Sir.
This is not going to end well for any of us.
19, he's walking around, gets his hand on his firearm.
Hey, watch crossfire. Get away from me. This is not about to end well for any of us. Put your hands on me.
Tase him. Tase him. Tase him.
This is the strangest interaction I've ever seen with cops and a man that has a gun on his hand. Usually, he's getting riddled with bullets by now.
Put the gun down. Tase him. Tase him. Tase him. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Hey, everyone get down.
Put the gun down.
Put
the gun down.
Hey.
Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Get away from me.
Put the gun down.
Get away from me.
Taser's ineffective. Taser's ineffective.
Sir. Sir.
How is he just walking with a taser in his back like it was nothing?
Talk to me. Can you please put down the gun? Sir.
Please put down the gun. Okay? We do not want to shoot you.
Sir, put the gun down.
If you put the gun down,
Right?
this will not end. Nobody wants to shoot you.
You just tased me.
Put the gun.
Sir, you are holding a gun. I was not until I got tased. Get away from me. You showed a gun to somebody. That's why we're here. Get away from me. No, I did not. I need you to talk to me. I didn't mace off of my face.
Okay, well, somebody said you pulled out a gun and you said you were going to hurt somebody, okay?
No, I did not.
Here, let me talk to you, okay? Listen to me, please. Sir.
Sir, can you put the gun down so we can talk like
What do you want? What do you want? We need to talk to you, though. We can't just leave right now. Sir, can you just please put down the gun and we can talk? Hey, you put the gun down, I'll put my gun away. We all will. Just put the gun on top of the car. We will all put our guns away.
I didn't do anything but wipe mace out of my
We're here for a reason, though. You got to understand that. Sir, what's your first name?
Bob. That's my name, Bob.
Hey.
The cops just don't get called out for no reason now. Somebody called the police on you because you was doing something that you had no business doing. So all this, I didn't do nothing. You did something because it takes a lot of emotion for somebody to pick up a phone and say, hey, 911. He just pulling off casually like it ain't cops on him.
What the f, man? Where's my car?
204, do you have your complaint?
Damn. They just let him leave?
19, he's leaving. He's in his car. He's in the traffic.
Oak Forest? Where's Oak Forest at?
the complaint again. There's no answer the first couple times.
Dude.
So he's at Metro looking for her.
Why did he turn away?
At this point, we're not gonna pursue him.
At this point, we're not gonna pursue him.
What happened?
Dude, we got here. He starts walking around. He has a pistol in his waistband in a holster. So we draw a gun on him, and he starts walking around here. And he takes it out of the holster and walks around like this. That's where I have him at gunpoint. And eventually he gets back into his car and leaves. We have no complainant. The complainant called saying somebody was here with a gun. We tried to tase him, didn't work, and he just left. So, I mean...
Did the taser hit him?
Yeah, one probe did.
No shit. What kind of car was he in?
He was in a gray Kia. No front bumper. I mean, all we really have at this point, I guess UW because he pulled his gun out, but we had our guns out at him too. But that's about it. We have no complaint for the initial thing and obstructing, obviously. But
Still got eyes on him. We're approaching Rock Roy westbound on 159. What do we want to do about this?
I mean, there's no point in chasing him, right? Are your lights on fit so you can try to stop him? I'm sure he's not going to stop.
No, we haven't gone over 40.
All right, put your lights on, see if he stops. If he doesn't, just let him go.
I guess I'll wait for more units before I try that, right?
Me and 23 are headed to you.
This guy's signal on to go northbound Oak Park from 159.
6-4, where you at?
About to turn northbound Oak Park with him.
Hang on, I'm coming up.
Hang on, I'm coming up.
Try to stop him at 151.
This guy can't be in his right mind. How are you gonna drive off and think the cops are not gonna follow you to wherever you're going? You can't be in a good mental space right now. And shout out to these cops, you know what I'm saying? Because usually when you see stuff like this going on, it usually goes really bad, really fast. But they held on to their composure, did what their bosses told them to do, and they just gonna pursue this in their own way. I've never seen a method like this from the police whatsoever, though. Super non-aggressive.
He's turning right onto he's about 151st, looks like.
Alright, turning right onto eastbound 151st, looks like.
Support eastbound 151.
He's parking over by County.
Oh, shit. I don't like that turn.
Can you step out of the vehicle without the gun? I'm allowed to carry a gun. I don't know if you can.
Grab a lot. 19, still on the driver's seat. 419 vehicle stop.
Hold on. Talk to me. Don't worry about them, okay? Now I showed up in the first place because somebody said you had a gun, and they were right. What are the chances you had a gun?
Wiping mace off of my face.
And we're trying to figure out why that's it. What happened? We're trying to figure out why you had a gun out in front of people.
I didn't have a gun out.
Sir, we got a call about it. I'm not lying to you.
I didn't have a gun out. I was standing there wiping mace off of my face.
So why would I lie to you about that? You had a gun out previous to that.
Alcohol is definitely playing a part in this. As you can see, he keeps repeating himself, saying the same thing over and over again, like it's going to make the cops back off of him. That's not how this works. You're going to jail. Why did you have to wipe mace off your face in the first place? That's what we're trying to get to the bottom of.
We had a caller about it, sir. So we're just trying to investigate it, and then you up and left.
Guy right here. Look at this guy.
Yeah, well, you got to understand. You had a gun. That's why we're trying to talk to you.
No, you didn't come to talk to me with guns. You came with tasers. You tased me twice, and you pulled out your gun
Before we did any of that, you pulled away from us.
twice. I hadn't pulled out anything.
You pulled away from us. We were trying to speak with you. We wanted to check you.
And you pulled out a gun on me. Look at him.
Yes, he's got a rifle, sir. You got a gun too. All right, I'm going to go to the other side of the car, right? So can we talk? Can we keep talking? I want to keep talking to you. I'll let you smoke a cigarette. All right, so why'd you get maced? I'd like to get you out of the car without the fucking gun, man. Well, how'd you get maced? Why'd you get maced? It's important, man. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm trying to figure out why somebody said they saw a gun on you. I'm trying to figure out why you pulled away from us before we even had our guns out. I'm trying to figure out why you left. We didn't tase you until you had that gun out, sir. That's all on camera, too. All right, hey, why don't you step out of the car?
Fitz.
You see it in there right
Keep
now.
going. That's the step out.
He's finishing his cigarette, Sarge. Hey, he's got a dog in the back as well.
With your hands up. With your hands up.
Is your firearm in that pouch?
Leave the dog in the car. Sir, stop. Stop moving.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Just stay right there.
Now step out the guard.
Stay right there.
Do what you were saying.
Pistol was last in the right in his right hand.
I see it, dude. Just relax. Put your hands behind your back, man. I don't want to shoot you. Back up. Back up.
Do it.
Back up.
I'm gonna walk right up to your right.
Back the.
Oh, shoot.
Walking up to a police officer with your dog, begging him to shoot you, not a good idea. It's not a good idea for the simple fact of why would you want to cause harm to yourself and put this on this man's conscience? Because at the end of the day, police officers are still human. He doesn't want to shoot you, but you're literally acting erratic. You're not thinking in a good place. Like, your decision making is fucked up right now. You pulled off on police. I've never seen somebody pull off on police and it be this peaceful.
I'd rather
Cuff him.
No, don't try to touch me.
come on.
Don't try to touch me, please. Don't try to touch me, please. Please don't touch me. You just touched me once. That was one too many times. Please, I'll put the
Let's
dog
go.
back up.
Grab it.
I'll put the dog back up. I'll put the dog back up. Fine. Ow!
Yep, that's usually all it takes. He talk about what the fuck you thought was gonna happen? They got you in that heart, yeah. You was big and bad when they got you in the back. You used to get your back busted up with the pros, but that chest shot gonna get you down every time.
That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work.
Luckily, it's a friendly dog.
My dog is friendly. My dog is friendly.
In the car.
Check his pouch, though.
I don't have it on me. It's in the car.
I just want to make sure, right?
I didn't come out.
Stand him up and get
You did the first time.
It's in my 1, 2, 3.
He wanted to commit.
It's supposed to be a quiet Sunday, sir.
Yep.
I know. Why did y'all show up? I got maced. If anything, you should have showed up to help me. Like somebody just maced you. Somebody maced you.
Oh,
You're wiping mace out of your. I couldn't see.
You definitely need help. So
Mentally, for sure.
Yourself? No, don't play.
I know. It happens.
check his waistline one more time. All right. Call animal control.
We have a dog here in this vehicle.
She will overheat in that car.
We're not going to leave her in the car.
No, we're getting
I promise.
It always baffles me when people get put in handcuffs. Now they got all these demands and all this shit that they want to request. Like, bro, you don't have the room for anything to ask for anything. You're going to jail.
Can I have my freaking... Stop pulling me like that.
You gotta get in the car.
Come on, let's walk to the car, please. Crazy tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't like being controlled. I don't like having the mark of the beast in my body, and neither do you. I hope
take a seat,
you don't.
sir.
I hope you don't.
Have a seat.
Can I have a cigarette, please?
When we get back to the station, have a seat.
Grab your cigarettes. I'm going to grab your lighter. I
I
promise
know
you.
you guys lie like that.
I promise you.
Can you reach in there, grab them, and show me that you have them at least?
Take a seat.
It's a
All right, take
sky
a seat. I'll grab them.
It's a sky.
This guy. Nasty car.
The firearms in the passenger seat right there.
You gonna give me a cigarette for real?
At the station, yes. You can't smoke in our squads. We'll give you one before you go into the station.
He gotta be off the
Here
meds.
to be friendly. I'm gonna see if I can just take him.
Hey, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Let me get this, okay? Here, you want a piece of bread? Here, come on.
You guys towing it around?
Ah, yeah, he's fine. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on.
This suspect, 48-year-old Lotus from Illinois, was charged with aggravated unlawful use of a weapon, aggravated assault, and 7 counts of resisting a peace officer. The suspect's dog was not injured and taken to Oak Forest Animal Control. Lotus is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
What did you guys like about this video? Did it play out to your expectations? Leave a comment in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.